Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. We've got a massive day today. Of course, it's Fed Jerome Powell, the Grim Reaper is in the house, and we are prepared. We've made our plans. I'm going to explain exactly what I've done throughout the morning. So here we go. Let's have a great day. We're going to be live nearly all day today. We got the opening bell, then we've got the FOMC Fed Jerome Powell meeting. Then we have, of course, the closing bell. Then we have Meta earnings. What a day lined up for you. Let's get straight into our trades. Let's see what's going on and let's make some money. You ready? Okay. Click subscribe and ring the bell. That's the first thing you've got to do if you are new here. We go live up to 10 hours a day, and also smash the like button. That helps our channel grow. It costs you absolutely nothing. Just tap the like button. It makes all the difference to us. I was actually voted as the World Piano Man. This is my TV studio here in Dallas, Texas, even though I'm from Cornwall, England. And this is where I do live music, live events, and we're supporting all our members, raise over $1 million for our members on my music channel. So we do all of that during the show. Sometimes we have some music, and you can make special requests or special events that happen throughout the day. Or sometimes I like to just chill out on the piano. The rest of the time I'm here in the studio 10 hours a day investing. My portfolio started out at $5,000. That was it. That's all it was. And now we're at $36,000 in my brokerage account. We've taken some money off the top last night. VU and Amazon got overweighted. Still very bullish on both of the stocks, obviously long term. But I did sell some just to put some cash in the bank. I earned 4% on Robinhood anyway by just holding the money. So that it's never dead money, holding cash. And if we get a drop today with the Grim Reaper, I can then pick up because I got already out of the stock. So, but on top of that, let's go to my main portfolio as well. Let me show you that as well. Here we go. So what we have here is my overall balance as well. This is 41,000. We've broken 40,000. 40,000, then 41,000. The reason why that's gone up to 41,000 this morning, I put another $400 in there this morning because I want some money in my Roth IRA. There it is. I want some cash in the Roth because, and I've got 437 for the long-term investing in case we get a drop as well. Okay, so this is what we've got in the Roth right now. J&J is going down. We've got this this lawsuit going on. So I don't want to just keep buying J&J, but it is the stock at the moment that is on the biggest discount. No question about it. It's very, very reliable. 24 times earnings. It's not the most expensive stock. Great yield of 2.75. Never not paid out. Really great. It's just going through a lawsuit right now, and it's going to drag on. So it's bringing the stock price down. But there you go. My overall position from 36 now is 41. So, you know, I might wait for some bigger drops on J&J. We shall see. Okay, let's bring in who was here first. Let's have a look. We've got Bill was here. Good morning, Bill. He's got his 8 ball. There we go. I like that. The favourite number, the lucky number for the Chinese. Hey, Bill, bonus fish and send. How are you? German Gaming is here as well. Good morning to you, German Gaming. Lovely to have you here. Welcome, welcome, everybody. All right, so let's get ready. Now then, let's go through all our positions. The S&P is down slightly. We trimmed it off last night. We took some profits out of it. Here we go. Let's have a closer look at it. Just bear with me. The scene is slow to load. Why isn't the scene loading? Come on, what's going on? Why? There we go. Let's bring that in. Oh, hang on. What's happening there? Why is that not loading? Just bear with me. We've got a little glitch there. All right. We've got a little glitch here. Okay. Why isn't that loading? That's a bit weird. What's happening there? We've just got a slight technical glitch here. My trading screen has changed. What's happened to that? Just bear with me. We seem to have got a slight complication here. Not quite sure what's happened here. Just bear with me a second, folks. We've got a slight complication. I need to make a slight adjustment. Sorry about this, folks. We have a slight issue technically this morning. I'm just trying to fix it. One of my scenes just disappeared, so I'm just making a slight readjustment to my scene. And now I've got to add. You might see this now for a moment. I apologize. I've got to make a new button. This is how we run it. Run our show. I'll be with you in a moment once I fix this issue. One of my scenes has disappeared. That's basically what happened. Okay. I think we've fixed it. If you've just tuned in this morning, we're just having a slight technical glitch here, which I'm having to repair on the fly. Change another button. No idea why that happened. Okay, I think we've pretty much fixed it. I just noticed that the there we go. That should be near enough there now. Oh, it's gone again. Why on earth is this? Never had this before. Actual buttons getting deleted during a show, but most bizarre thing is going on right now. So seem to be deleting scenes. Hopefully. Hopefully we should be back in line. Okay, we seem to be fixed now. So I apologise if you just tuned into that. We've now fixed it. I think you've been hacked, says Jimmy. No, I'm perfectly fine. We just got a delete, that was all. A little bug. I've just fixed it. Made a few adjustments. Okay. I think we're there. The overall portfolio is going down, which is exactly what we prepared for. We took some profits off the top of the S&P 500 earlier. So we've done that. We also took some profits from Amazon. So we're going through all our positions now. Tesla is still up. Lucid. Apple. There we go. So we took some profits off Amazon. Not a lot. Just a handful of shares. Just so we'd have some cash on hand. So Coca-Cola, J&J. J&J now is down another 0.5%. Only got 5 minutes here. Oh, welcome, Church. I saw your silver badge now for 6 months. Thanks for having me as always, good or bad. Always, Church. You're a great member of our family. Thank you very much for always being here. Microsoft going down. Can you please review Ford, and would you be interested in doing an earnings show tomorrow? Is it earnings for Ford tomorrow? Let's have a little look. After hours tomorrow. Let me check my schedule. After hours tomorrow, February the 2nd. We're doing Apple, I'm afraid. I'm just looking at it now. We've got Apple tomorrow. Yeah, we can't do them all, I'm afraid. There's so many. There's Apple, Amazon, Google, Ford, all reporting tomorrow. February the 2nd. Yeah, tomorrow. Okay, yeah. I'd love to do it. I hate when they put such great companies all together. Apple, Ford, Amazon, Google, all reporting in after hours tomorrow. I want to hear from them as I want to buy back. Yeah, I would like to hear from them, see what they have to say about the F-150 discount. I would like to hear about it. What do you think about that? They've reduced the price of F-150 again. Oh no, the Ford Mach-E. They're going to lose even more money on the car. Is that a good strategy, Church? What do you think? I don't know. I'm not so sure. But anyway, we'll hear about that tomorrow. Unfortunately, I won't be able to do it. I tell you what I can do though for Church. I will find the earnings, try and record it afterwards and put it out. I don't know if that will work very efficiently, but I'll have a look, see what I can do. Ford Mac needs a price cut, way overpriced. Yeah, but they're losing money though. You're selling it for a loss. I mean, they have to compete. You have to compete, but you can't sell you can't sell your products at a loss though. You go bankrupt. I mean, that's crazy, right? I mean, I guess they've got to compete, but selling your vehicles at a loss when they're already losing money, they're losing even more money now. I finally seen one on the road. Not a fan of it. Yeah, I don't know how that's going to work. Anyway. Tesla's going down, Lucid. So what we need to do now is we could set some buy orders. So if we look at my position right now, I need to just make sure we're up to date first of all. Let's bring ourselves up to date here with a quick commercial break. See you back in 10 seconds from now. If you are a YouTube member sponsor, you can be in this space right now. You can be in this space and sponsor this gap here. Right, let's come back to you. All right. The S&P. is see you later in 10 seconds. T.O. Roll. Yeah. Church didn't like it. He said, I'm not a fan. Oh, iPhone 14. You won an iPhone 14. That sounds a bit dodgy. No one just wins an iPhone 14. What did you do? What did you do for it? They get breaks from the US anyway. President wants them to be affordable for everyone to buy. Yeah, that's fair enough, but they're losing money on it, though. They were losing money before. Now they're losing even more money. So I don't know. I understand they've got... I mean, that's where Tesla come in. They can make profits. They found a way to build the cars. That's the thing. That's the ticket. Anyway, let's have a little look. Let's see how many people have come through the show this morning. We just started, 41. Let's check how many subscribers are starting the day with. 6,188 today. Let's see if we can get 6,200 during the show today on the FOMC report. Very good chance. All right, it's going to be a massive day for us today. Right, let's get into the likes. If we get 100 likes today, we'll give away a cash prize. So let's zoom in and see how many we got watching. 28 watching, so we should have 20 likes at minimum. All right, let's go. Get 100 likes a day. We'll give a cash prize away. You ready? Smash the like button. Here we go. Let's bring in Mr. Mini-Me. 14 likes. If we get to 100 likes during the show, we'll give a cash prize away. We should be at least 20 now in 45 seconds. 13. Let's see if we can get to 20 likes during the show. 30 seconds to go. We've got 30 watching. Or 20, well, how many we got watching now? 27 watching. So we should be at least 20 likes. 25. There we go. 14. We're moving up now. Once we get to 100, we'll give a cash prize away. Paid out like 15, 16. There we go. 16 seconds left. Right on the button. Excellent stuff. Smash the like button. We're nearly there. 10 seconds to go. 9, 8, 16, 17. On the way up. Very nice indeed. 17 likes. Didn't quite make 20 at this point, but we'll keep on going. Right, the S&P is down at the minute. Virgin Galactic is down. Virgin Orbit up to date. Rivian, Tesla. We're waiting for the pullback after the FOMC report, or it'll take off if we get a pivot. We're not going to get a pivot though, folks. But what we could have is an all-out disaster if we get a 0.5% rate hike. Remember, it was 0.5% last time. Bringing the rates down is quite a thing, but the markets are expecting it. Can you see now why I took profits out of Amazon? I sold 5 shares of Amazon, and I sold 4 shares of VU. Trim off the top. Just put some money in my buying power. You'll see what I mean now. I've got some money to act on this. I've got $2,000 in my buying power in my regular brokerage account, and in my Roth I've got 434. So I've got some money to deploy. My overall balance now is 40,989. It was 41 a few moments ago. But there we go, looking good. Let's have a look at the heat map as well. Let's look at the heat map. Share with you that as well. Couldn't the market simply go up on a lack of bad news being delivered today? Yes, they could. If we get what's important is what he says. If we get a 0.25, that was expected. Still get a bit of a sell-off, though, because it's what we expected. We know it isn't going to fly up. People will take profits, all right? Just because that's what we're expecting, it could still drop because people will take profits, but it will buy back quickly. It'll simply be profit taken, buy back lower, and do it again. That's the first case scenario. Second case scenario is 0.5%. The markets crash 5%. That could happen if we get 0.5%. If he didn't raise rates, so didn't put them up but didn't raise them, so it was like no rate hike this month, then the markets would explode. So that's the scenarios we could be in for today. Anyway, let's look at the heat map. Let's look at the global markets first. You can get an idea of where the markets are going around the world in a minute. New Zealand was up, Australia was up, Nikkei was down 0.25%, Hang Seng was up 1%, the German DAX is up 0.5%, the FTSE is up 0.2%, and now we're into the US, which hasn't opened yet. That's the global markets, and let's look at the heat map. Let's see what it does. See, it's very muted. A little bit of green there, but a little bit of red, a little bit of grey. So it's a very muted. The big winner of the day is SYK, up 4.91. But there you go. That gives you an indication of the S&P 500. Thoughts on GlaxoSmithKline? I haven't really got an opinion on that one, I'm afraid. I haven't got an opinion on it. The markets are going down. We planned for this. We planned and prepared. We have money on hand to buy. So we're ready for it. We've got 35 minutes before the bell goes. This is our position going down. That's why we sold VU. That's why we sold Amazon. Now, I could buy now. However, the reason for having the money in my buying power is to see how the market reacts after Jerome Powell speaks. So yes, we are down now, unless we get like a 10% drop on Amazon or then fine. But we won't get that. We won't get a dramatic drop yet. There's no reason for that yet. There's no news to suggest we should get a massive, anything dramatic. So, J&J, how low did this go yesterday? It got as low as 162. MSGN. MSGN. Let's have a look. You said the DAX is running away by itself. Let me have a look at that. Yep, it's up. The DAX is up. Not really. It's not. The Hang Seng is up 1%. The DAX is up 0.46. The FTSE is up 0.2. Not really. The DAX isn't running ahead of itself. I don't think so. MSGN. Is that what you're talking about? Okay. Let's have a look. MSGN. GM. Oh, this one yesterday, the games one. Oh, yeah. Up 200% again. What is this all about? Who's ever seen numbers like this? Why is this doing this? Average volume 3, 39 million. It's a very small market cap, this one. It's being manipulated. That's what's going on here. It's a small company. It's only 39 million. It's losing money, folks. Look, it's losing money. It's losing money. Manipulation to the core. I'm not going to touch that. You're paying an absolute fortune for a company that's worth $2. That's complete and utter manipulation. Well, wasn't we up like 1,000% yesterday? Look at this. I'm not buying this. Buy it here, fine, but buy it here, you're an absolute. It's only worth $2. The valuation of this company is $2 a share. This is crazy. If you buy that, you've got balls of steel. I'll give you that. $64 for a share, which is worth $2. If you buy that now, you're off your head. If anyone buys that now for $64, you are off your head. I'm going to say it, but I'm going to say it right now. If you buy that right now, you are off your head. Right. In fact, I'm going to make a video on that because that's crazy. 25 MSGM. All right. Let me just bring that onto the my main account as well. Yeah. The overall portfolio, the overall markets are going down as they should be prior to Jerome Powell speaking, and we've got this going on. All right, so ridiculous. Right, so let's make a video on this. Here we go. Right. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor, MSGM, Motorsport Games, manipulation of a stock if there ever was one. I don't give financial advice, but I will tell you, if you buy this, you are completely and utterly off your head. That's going to take some flack, I know. But if you buy this, I repeat, you are completely barking mad off your head. Why? The stock at best is worth couple of bucks a share at best. Let's have a little look at what's happened to it. Let's go into our main position here and show you exactly what is going on with this stock. It's absolutely lunacy, absolute crazy stuff. What is going on? Right, it's only worth a couple of bucks a share, and what we saw yesterday is the stock popped up. It popped up, look, 1,800%. 1,800%. It has a market cap of 39 million. It's a very small company. It has 189 employees, an average volume of 5 million. This is not a company that is making money. It's losing money. It's losing money, losing money, losing money, hand over fist. If you buy this now, you are absolutely off your head. What is going on right now with MSGM is it's being manipulated. Now, a very, very small stock like this can be manipulated very, very easy. It's a very, very small market cap. It's a very, very small company. It's got low volume, so it doesn't take a lot of Redditors, tweeters, idiots to pump this up. This is insane. It'll go up and down like a yo-yo. You've got more chance of making money by going into a casino today. Why? Let me prove to you why. Because the actual markets are doing that. We are preparing for Fed Jerome Powell. We're preparing for real news. We're preparing for Fed Jerome Powell to either rate hikes another 0.5% and the markets will crash like 5 to 10%, or we'll get a 0.25, which is what is expected, but we'll still get a bit of a sell-off because people will take profits and then buy back. So for MSGM to be doing this is absolutely barking mad. So I just want to put it out there because I have a lot of friends who watch this channel, my family members of our YouTube channel, and I just want to say on the record, if you buy a stock that's worth $2 at best, more 165, but $2 at best, for $62, you might as well walk into a casino today and put your entire mortgage on red, spin it, close your eyes, stand on your head, kiss the girl next to you, and hope to God that it pays off. All right? So if you are, however, buying MSGM this morning, the only way you can play it, there is only one way. You buy it, Why you'd buy it, I don't know. And set yourself a stop trail loss of 1 cent. So it goes down 1 cent and it sells. So if it just keeps on going, you'll trail up with it and you'll become a millionaire. And then you can tell all your mates on their little Twitter accounts and Reddit accounts that you're the smartest investor in the world. You know more than Warren Buffett. You know more than the Fed. You know more than everybody who's buying Apple and Microsoft and Google. You know more than them. And maybe you do, and maybe you win. But if you are buying this, for God's sake, set a stop trail loss of 1 cent. So if it goes down 1 cent, you'll be out, because that could go all the way down to $2 in 5 minutes. Let's see what happens. We'll revisit it again today. So are you in MSGM? Are you having fun with the stock? Or are you looking at the actual stock market and going, that's what's actually happening today? I wish you all the very, very best. Have a wonderful day. Get ready for Jerome Powell. Get ready to become a millionaire or lose it all on MSGM. Motorsport games. Take care of yourselves and each other. All right. Oh, my God. Isn't it crazy? Manipulations sometimes. GM. People will do this, though. They will do it. Right? They will do it. They'll think that's it. They can become a millionaire. Such a low volume, a lot for a lot of tweet. But remember, when it ramps up, there are other tweeters and Redditors who have paid the top price. They're holding a bag now. They're holding a bag of $62 for a $2. That's like buying Coca-Cola for $62. And going, does anybody want my can of Coke for $62? No one's going to be queuing up to buy it off you, right? So here you go. Let's do a reaction. All right, there you go. There's my thumbnail. That's my thumbnail for later. Oh my God. Oh my God. All right. What do we make of that? We'll keep our eye on it. We'll come back to it throughout the day. We'll come back to it. I've just got to, I noticed another button I need to fix. So here it is, trade button. I've had 2 buttons today disappear off my system. And I don't know why, but there we go. Hopefully that will bring it back to the trade. And yes, it does. Okay. Let's read some of these comments. Let's read some of these comments. Short it, Martin. Play puts. Losing money, but actually make good games. Let's read these comments. But look at its performance since October, TO roll, manipulation to the core. It's up 1,000% in a week. Think of the poor people, though, that have bought it at the top. Like that. Losing money, but actually makes good games. I know. Play puts if you can. Short it, Martin, Rob Brennan. Morning, afternoon, Martyn Lucas AIDS. Hey, hashtag Lucas AIDS. There we go. Make sure you put that on social media. That's one of our trending hashtags. Thank you, Malk. Yesterday it was up to $20 at close, and then it's 63. I wouldn't buy either, bloody hell. But I know, seriously, get rich in a day, wouldn't you? I was going to, but said no. But damn it, watch it go to 120. Put 200 on it, $400 profit. Yikes. 1,000, you get 4,000 if you bought yesterday. I know. Imagine it. Imagine that. Hello, amigos. Big day today. I foresee Fed announcing 0.25 and market going up. What do you see? Alex. Here he is. Alex, who's not verified. He keeps telling us we're about to fly on Virgin Galactic. What's happening with that? Listen, Alex. If the Fed do a 0.25, it doesn't mean the markets are going to go up at all. They could sell off just the same because people will take profits. Now they know where the markets are going. So don't think 0.25 is a guaranteed pump. It isn't. Zero is a guaranteed pump. Bloody hell, my answer to my problem was right in front of me. Yeah, motorsport games stock saw nearly 184% after company says it regained full compliance with NASDAQ listing rules. Michael Berry tweeted out sell last night. Hi all, says Zach. Good morning, Zach. How are you? Welcome to Zach, to our family this morning. There he is. Our fundraiser in Africa, Uganda. Got a video coming out about that, actually. How's the music channel? Oh, yes. I've got some news about that. So let me just bring it up now. Thank you, Mike, for asking. So, MSGM, where's it now? Going sideways. Right. The overall markets are going down as we expected them to. We trimmed off S&P. We trimmed off Amazon. Oh, by the way, Mike, I haven't forgotten you're the best mug. I've been dramatically delayed with that. I wanted to do something on it, and I'm still working on it. I haven't forgotten your mug, Mike. I promise you. You know I haven't, but I just wanted to make the point I haven't forgotten you. And I apologize for the delay. Okay. Right. Let's have a little look. I got asked about the music channel. Our target was 4,000 hours by last night. Now, you need to understand that the figures are 1 to 2 days behind. Even though what you watch today won't count for yesterday, the figures are 1 to 2 days behind. So what the watch hours say today has another little bit to go. Okay? So, this is where we are. I'm going to bring it up and show you now. Okay, here we go. So this is the music channel, and we've got another day of reading to go. So if I click on it, you can see what you have done. This is how the channel died. See it? This is what the channel had done, and this is what you did. This is when we started, and this is when you really got busy the last couple of days. Can you see it? Look at that. There was 147 hours yesterday. But it's 1 day behind. There's a little bit to add to this. So 3,915. You see that, look? 3,915. But we've got another day. So that figure hasn't reflected this last day of 147. So I think we've done it, but we won't know until tomorrow. But look, this is the scary part. It's a 365-day rolling event, right? You can see I need to keep this going. Not you guys watching 24/7. You don't have to do that anymore. But can you see there's going to be 48 hours on February the 8th fall off. But in March, there's nearly 1,000 hours going to fall off. That's when we did Ukraine, when the Ukraine war started. Do you remember? And everybody watched the Ukraine videos. That was all the watch time. So hopefully we've done it, and we'll find out tomorrow, 4,000. And then what I've got to do is continue making videos, not expect you guys to go 24 hours a day like you have been, but just watch my premieres so we can combat that. And we've got until March. You can see that was my birthday. Remember March the 9th was my birthday? Look, March the 9th, and then you all went up. See? You all supported on my the videos that I made on my birthday. See that? You can see it. So that's what we need to do. Hopefully we've done it, but we need to just do a little bit. I need to make some more videos. Anyway, thank you very much indeed for all supporting the music channel. Tomorrow, hopefully, we'll be at 4,000, and it just hasn't given the updated numbers yet, but tomorrow it should do, and we should be there. And then I'll just bring out regular videos and hold our position. Anyway, thank you very much, everybody. Are you holding Rio? No, not at the moment. Could you check out PLTR, bonus fish and send? Only if you are it's a member's perk. You're not a member of our channel. I have to focus on the members. If I've got nothing else to talk about, nothing else to do, I've covered all the members, then of course I will. But it's a member's perk that I review stocks for you, okay? Mr. Clockwork, pump those stocks on crypto today. Hello, good people. Crazy things happen today. Mr. Clockwork, why is that, Clock? Hello, Martin. Wondering to your thoughts on going forward to a stale market for a while, as in flat, possibly down the next few years, like a stagflation. Your thoughts? Obviously not investment advice. No, I think a bull market for my portfolio, and I can only project my portfolio, will begin in the summer, late spring, summer. That's what I think. There's always opportunity to make money. So I'm not concerned about not being able to make money. I've got no issue with that at all. I do think there's a potential for stagflation. I think that's a real thing. I'm right with you. That is a real thing, no question about it. But I'm quietly confident we're going to be okay. It depends if you've bought defensive stocks or not, like I have. I think defensive stocks are very, very important. Tilray. You said Tilray, it's down 0.93. Has Tilray moved pre-market? It's down 0.93. We did the right thing last night. The markets have gone down. We took profits on VU. We took profits on Amazon, and that was the right thing to do. Now we have money in our buying power. Right? We're watching motorsport games as well. A video will go out about that soon. If you didn't see that, just rewind the video and have a little look. Rivian, Tesla, Lucid, Apple, Amazon. Starting to rise a bit. J&J, how far down is it going? Another little dip, 162. Down 3. It's all because of the court case. It's going to drag on for years. So this is a long-term investment for you. Good place to park your money. Good dividend. Long-term investment. Amazing. Thank you. I'm always interested in your views. Thank you. Thank you ever so much indeed. Appreciate it. "15 minutes before the bell goes." Co-finance, how are you this morning over there on TikTok? How are you? I hope you're level 20 now on our channel. I think you're the highest person on our channel. Let me bring in TikTok now and show you on the screen. Crow Finance. I actually made Crow Finance last night a promotional video. If you become a subscriber to my channel, I do that for you. Let me share with you what I did. Here we go. If you look here, last night, Crow Finance. There it is. Look, you can see it. This is what I did for Crow Finance last night.
Investor. One thing I love doing more than anything else is helping other YouTubers and TikTokers to grow their platforms. I've got 31,500 followers. So if you subscribe to me during one of my live shows, I will do this for you. Crow Finance, subscribe to me. He clicked the star, and there is his channel on the...
There you go. So I made a video and posted it, and that goes on my profile. 31,500 followers, and it gains you more subscribers and followers. That's what I do. If you become a top gifter, I follow you back. But if you actually become a subscriber, I make videos for you to promote your channel. So there you go. Click the star, guys. And you too today can get promoted like that. It's a great way to promote your channel. Probably the best way there is. Getting another successful broadcaster to be able to introduce you to their audience. So if you are a TikToker, that's what you do. If you want to get onto my TikTok right now, I'll give you the link. It's in the all links button, of course, below every video and running on the bottom of the screen. But if you want the direct link to my TikTok, here it is. I'll give it to you right now. There it is, Martyn Lucas Investor. And I'll do the same for you. It's a great way. And TikTok will really grow your YouTube channel. So I recommend all YouTubers actually have a TikTok channel. It's a great way to grow your channel. Anyway, let's have a look. J&J or GS J&J by miles. J&J by mile. I think JSK has a better dividend. Yeah, but it's a much smaller company. J&J could buy out JSK. I would always go for J&J. Has a much longer history. Much bigger company. Much more dominance in the field. See, when I'm going to buy an industry, I want the biggest, most successful company in that industry. Like Tilray Brands for cannabis, J&J is for pharmaceuticals. No question about it. Not a question at all. Jar Life, welcome to you. Good morning, good morning, good morning. I'll give you a quick comparison in a minute. All right. GSK, GlaxoSmithKline. It's a British company, if I remember correctly. Right. It's 71 billion market cap. J&J is 427 billion. Gives you an idea. J&J holds a lot more cash on the book. I think it's like 35 billion, I think it is, or 40 billion in cash, something like that as well. It's been around since 1887. GSK's been around since 1999, so you can see the idea there as well. The average volume is 4 million for GSK. The average volume for J&J is 9 million, but that shouldn't really put you off because when it comes to volume, people just hold their stocks with J&J, so it's completely different. What else can I tell you about it? The market cap, the history, and the volume is the most important thing. Anyway, yeah. So that's my view. That's my view on that. Right, 10 minutes to go. Running up to the clock now. It's going to be a massive day today. Are you prepared? Have you done all the right things? You've still got time. You've still got another half an hour, 45 minutes, an hour. And then we'll start getting some warming up of the market. You'll start to get an idea. But right now, we're just warming up. So let's do this right now. Bring everybody up to date with a quick commercial break. Here we go. You can sponsor this space here if you are a YouTube sponsor. We have a couple of sponsors now. And you can sponsor one of those spaces per show. Now, if you want to know about J&J, right now is a phenomenal time to buy it. Why? Because they're going through a court case, which they've been going through for years, by the way. And if you look at their history, this is the chart. You always buy it at one of these troughs here. And you buy J&J for long-term investing. You buy J&J as a insurance policy on your portfolio. It's not the only thing that you own, but it will hold your portfolio up if we have a crash. Money will go into it. Safe money will go into it. It pays a good dividend. It's always paid the dividend. Remember, there's no point buying a dividend stock that doesn't always pay the dividend. This one does. So very, very important to bear that in mind. So just bear that in mind. And what you're also investing on is the result of the court case. The court case will drag on, but J&J will see it through. They might have to pay out, but they've got the money to pay out. They can pay it out, and the company will recover. So they're still claiming that there is no issue with their talcum powder. It does not give you cancer. They're still adamantly defending that and saying it doesn't. So But that's what you're investing on. Okay, so just worth noting that. Anyway, have you seen natural gas, Martin? It has dropped off a cliff, 20-year low. It's down. It's down 259. It's at 259. What do you think? I'm not really an investor of gas, oil, even though I have 3 shares of Chevron now. It's not my interest, and if I don't have an interest in it, I don't invest in it, because that way I don't take the time to study it. So there are other people here who would have a view on that. I don't. So there you go. Anyway, if you want me to review a stock, you need to be a member of our channel. You get all the perks and benefits if you are. Being a member, having a review of a stock is just one of those perks and benefits. There are many. Here's the invitation to join. 95% of our live viewers are members. Good morning, Alex Hunt. GSK, I'd expect people to drink less if they have less money, so wouldn't buy it. I'd expect people to drink less if they have less money, so wouldn't buy it. I'm not sure I understand that comment. No, I don't have gold. Gold doesn't do anything. I don't see the point of owning gold. J&J risky because of the asbestos in talc. I see it as a buying opportunity, Alex. I see it as a buying opportunity. If you become a member, this too shall pass. You can have a 20-minute fundraiser. You can have a 20-minute concert. I'll recognize your birthdays. I'll answer all your questions, reply to all your comments on YouTube, follow your social media. We've got members-only videos that only members get to see. You see these videos down here? Only members get to see these. You can come to the our special events. You can get access to our Discord. You can talk to me 24/7 on Discord. You can call into the show. You can do a poll. We celebrate your birthday, all for a couple of bucks a month. Plus, you get Amazon cash back from me for anything you buy on Amazon. There are many, many perks. You get 20 times back what you put in. It pays to be at least a bronze member. And also, remember, the reason why I go live 10 hours a day, and there you go, motorsport. There you go. Look what happened there. So I'm going to do a follow-up video for this. So let me put the timer up for this. Motorsport, 52 minutes. 52 minutes. And 52 mins. Okay. Right. So follow up. Here's a quick follow-up video with MSGM. We made a video on it this morning, what I really think about this kind of investing. If you want to get my full view on that, just click above my head just there, and that will take you to that. But what you're looking at now, look, is it being sold off. This makes no sense whatsoever. But I should say, I'd like to say I feel sorry for the people that are now holding the bag. But you only bought it because you read it on Reddit and tweets, and that is not the way to invest, or a few YouTubers who told you a load of rubbish. This company at most is worth $2 a share. So I wish you all the very best. But however, if you make trading and financial advice from what you read on tweets and Reddit and what you watch on YouTube by some guy who sat behind a screen making up nonsense based upon no fundamentals whatsoever, then it's kind of your own fault. You shouldn't do that. I try to warn people. It's only worth $2 at most, if not $1.50, $1.60. Anyway, I wish you all the very best. This is a follow-up video to MSGM, Micro Motorsport Games. Good luck. Take care of yourselves. Oh, my God. Okay. Let's put that out there. MSGM. I need to put it a little thumbnail for an update. In fact, I don't need it. I can use the same. Yes, I do. I need another thumbnail. MSGM. We've got 2 minutes to go for what's really important. None of this silly stuff. Let me do. That's it. That will be my thumbnail. Okay, here we go. That'll do. There's my thumbnail. Does that tell the story in the picture? That's the idea. Scalps. Only the CEOs don't care at all. Only the CEOs don't care at all. Have to be in early on a stock like this. Is it a stock, really? Thank you for your awesomeness. It sounds like great value. Totally 100%. Yes. J&J today, if that's what you're talking about, J&J most certainly is a great buy today. No question about it. No question about it. All right, we've got a minute to go now. We've made our preparations. We have cash. We have money. We've taken profits. Markets are going down. We've done all the right stuff. We're coming up to the bell. Are you ready? Smash the like button. Get ready to rock and roll. It's showtime. Big day today on our portfolio. 1 minute to go. Are you ready? Let's bring up the clock. Get ready today. Let's go. If you see an ad now, skip it. "40 seconds to go." Just a few moments to go now. If you've just tuned in, smash the like button. We are here today for Fed Jerome Powell FOMC report coming up later. 30 seconds to go. We've made our moves. We've got cash on hand. Down goes motorsport. Oh, there's a surprise. Someone's holding the bag. Okay, here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Fed Jerome Powell, FOMC, one of the most anticipated reports over a couple of years. This is a big, big day on the markets. So, where are we going to go? Now, of course, the meeting is another few hours away, so we're not going to get any, there's no reason why we should have anything dramatic today yet. But, however, we do want to be there, ready to go. We've got out of the stock. Was that the right thing to do? Yes, 22. I'll go early to catch all the people looking for it. Absolutely. I'll have, we had 6,000 viewers 3 or 4 FOMC reports ago. It was our biggest ever show. We gained about 200 subscribers during the show. And you're damn right I'll be there. It's exciting. Right. We're not going to cover this anymore. It's silly. All right, not wasting my time. We've got real investment to do. S&P 500 is down. I trimmed off the top. I'm up 4% overall, but I trimmed off the top. It's going back up again. I'm happy to do that. Virgin Galactic, Virgin Orbit, Rivian, Tesla, Lucid. Now, what we got now is the rise before the dump. Apple. All right. Now then, we're looking to go shopping. We've got $2,500. It's too early. There's why I trimmed off Amazon, folks. You saw me do it last night. I sold 5 shares of Amazon, 4 shares of VU. I've got $2,500 to spend. McDonald's, Coca-Cola, J&J. We're looking for some nice big 5% to 10% swings. That's what we're looking at. Don't get excited by 0.5% or even 2 or 3%. We're looking for some nice big discounts. I want to get back in Walmart. I made 17% on this one before. We want to get back in with Walmart. Next Era Energy is now down 6.5%. I could have a nibble at that. Enphase going up. Enphase is great, but extremely expensive. Are you going like, yes, I am going. It's almost not worth looking at until this afternoon. Any movement is meaningless. I agree with you. I absolutely agree with you. Let's get rid of Ethereum. Let's get rid of BSV. None of this is relevant anymore. There's no relevance at all to BSV at all. Bitcoin, there's some relevance to that right now, but not much. Tilray, it's up. Moving up. Robinhood. Nothing's gone down cheap enough for me. Ford is up nearly 1%. Rio Tinto. We're looking to get back in. You want to buy it when it, remember this stock, how it trades. You buy it at the troughs here. You buy it here. You don't buy it here. You buy it for the dividend and you just buy it on the troughs down here. You don't buy it up there. So no Rio Tinto for me today. Meta, earnings tonight. I'm doing the Meta earnings tonight. That was thanks to Stephen Lewandowski. Dow is getting hammered quite badly compared to the S&P. Meta, let's go back. We're still going down. Everything's selling off. But these are very, very small moves so far. Very small moves. Jason Fallon is over there on TikTok. How are you, Jason? Jason Fallon, thank you for that big tip last night. Huge help to my channel. Can't wait to see what my final report is tomorrow. It's always like a 1 or 2 days after the end of the month. Oh, thank you, Leah. How are you this morning? Day after your birthday? Feeling good? There's Leah. The lovely Leah. It's her birthday yesterday. As soon as it warms up, Andrew Grady and somebody else, I'll check it later on, bought Leah a Starbucks, and we'll go out and have that. So we'll go out and have that as soon as it warms up, because it's we can't get out of the house at the moment. It's ice everywhere. Thank you, Ed. Ebet and VS on watch from this morning for scalps. There we go. Ed Nevius has got some scalp trading available for you. Check those out. The S&P is going down. I'm still up nearly 4%. Let's have a look at my overall portfolio now. You'll see where I am. I'm in a very strong position, though. Very strong position. This is my, I've got $2,000 in my buying power. I trimmed off the top last night. That was the right thing to do. There we go. We're now at 40,800. We should be 41.2. I put $400 in this morning. It's because everything's dropped, but we've now got a new high. So I've got money in my Roth IRA. $400 overall. We are still up. See, this is hardly anything. The proper way to judge all of this will be this afternoon. So looking at my Roth IRA, VORB is down 23%. If I wanted to add into VORB, that would be the way to go. That is down. Arrival is down 37 cents. It's about to be delisted. It's not going to go much lower. VORB is now a buy for me. Long-term investment. Virgin Orbit. It's down 4% today. There we go. It's hitting its all-time lows. There you go. It's right on the bottom. Right on the bottom now. So Virgin Orbit is lining up. I wouldn't want to buy too much. But we're getting to the point now when I can add 200 shares. And well, if I did $600, if I did $600 now, I would bring my average down to about down 6%. For a long-term position, if I want to spend $600 on Virgin Orbit. So Virgin Orbit is interesting on my Roth. Long-term investment. I could do that. I could look at Virgin Orbit right now. But it might go lower this afternoon. I don't think the company, though, having been to Virgin Orbit and seen the people there, I don't think they're going to let it go much lower. That's my thoughts on it. And if we look at it, it is way oversold now. The RSI, way oversold. Virgin Orbit is a buy. It's gone as low as, if we look at it here, 159. I don't think it's going to go much lower. So for my long-term position, my Roth, it is interesting. So, I'm considering this. Okay. Let's do a video on it, and I'll do it live. Let me go to Vorb. Okay. Let's do it. I'll do it live I'll make a video live, okay? So bring that up to date. 1 hour 6. 1 hour 6. Vorb. Okay. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. Virgin Orbit now is approaching its all-time low. I've been to Virgin Orbit and I've met the people there. I wasn't very impressed with their last flight, not because they wasn't successful, but the way they presented themselves. That is key. So that comes at a price. If you do an awful presentation like that and fail, your stock price will go down. It has gone down dramatically, but there's a point when it becomes worth buying again. This is my Roth IRA right now, and live on the show in this video, I intend to buy some. Let's look at it right now. So this is Virgin Orbit right now. Let's go to my main trading position. And you can see this is my Roth IRA. It might go a bit lower today because we do have Fed Jerome Powell. High risk stuff like this but I don't think, having gone to the company and met the people there, it's going to go much lower. Let me change this now to my Roth IRA. I've got $400 left in my Roth IRA, long-term position. So I'm going to look at this now. Buy Virgin Orbit, a limit order. We're going to call it 163 or 64. Make sure it goes through. Shares, I've got $400. So that's 200 shares. 300. And I just see it moving now. 300. 250. 410. Review the order and buy. Order placed, Virgin purchase. There we go. I just got it in as it's starting to move. I got it for an average price of 163. Cost me $407. This is my long-term position. I was down 24% on it. I'm now down just 12. Now you can see my position there. I'm now down 12%. I was down 24. I'm now down 12. So I've got $27 left in my buying power. And I intend just to finish it up. So I'm going to go back to my buy here. And I'm going to set another limit order. And, oops, gone again. It's going up again. I don't have to buy anymore. It doesn't matter now. I'm down 12%. I was down 24. Half my position. My average now is 185. I got 450. I don't really want any more, but if it goes to 150, I'll just spend the last 27 bucks. In fact, it's virtually immaterial right now. But this is my long-term play. I don't think this will be dramatically affected by what Jerome Powell is saying. or what he may say. If we get a 0.5% today, yes, of course, markets will dramatically sell off this kind of stock. I don't think that's very likely, and I don't see this going any lower. This is fear in the market now. Potentially he could do that, so it's been oversold. And if we look at the RSI, you can actually see, if I go over to this screen here, if we look at Virgin Orbit, we can look and see, can you see the RSI there? It's dramatically oversold. So it's oversold. So I bought some. There's my position on Virgin Orbit. I was down 24%. I'm now down 12. I've got an average of 185. Happy with that. I think the stock can go to $4 quite easily when it flies again. You might have to wait. I wouldn't want to park too much money in here. But if I now look at my overall Roth IRA, let's go back to it. And we can see how that's been affected by this. Let's have a little look. Let me share with you my Roth. Remember, I get a 1% match from Robinhood. I only started this about 2 months ago, and I'm up to $4,800 already. Remember, I can do 7,000, so I'm very, very close to that now. And I'm up 1.22. And if I look down at my positions here, J&J is my biggest, Coca-Cola, VU, Vorb now was down 24%. It's now down 12%. And we could easily rebound this back. We could easily go back up here to 169, and then I'd be very close to being in the money on Virgin Orbit at a time when, look, it's perfect trade. Look at that. Perfect trade. I'm now down from 24% down to just 10.8. Look at that. Perfect trade at a perfect time. I don't think whatever Jerome Powell will say will drive this down any lower. Certainly not to much lower than it was before. I've been to the company. If you want to check out my Virgin Orbit video when I was there and I met the people who work there, you can click up here and that will take you to my Virgin Orbit video. But and my playlist, you can go and check it out. So there you go. Virgin Orbit, it's a long-term play. Doesn't belong in my main brokerage. It does belong in my Roth IRA. So I used my cash on hand this morning, which I prepared for Jerome Powell's speech. I don't think this is going to go much lower. So there we go. Virgin Orbit. Very, very happy with that. I've improved my position from 24% down to 10% down. There you go. Good day. Virgin Orbit. What's your position? Leave me your thoughts below. Did you like how I traded that? Was it a good position for you? Are you interested in Virgin Orbit? I am visiting Virgin Galactic space station later in the year. Looking forward to that as well. So anyway, there you go. Till next time, take care of yourselves and each other. All right, let's make a quick video, a quick thumbnail on that one. It's got to be a thumbs up, right? It's got to be a thumbs up. I did good. I did good. All right. Let's see how you reacted to that. Let's have a look. AMD doing well, says Alex. Do you buy the dips for the scalps, Ed? Trade both. We're talking to Ed now. Ed's having a conversation. AMD on the move. I wouldn't buy AMD. I prefer Microsoft, Alex, for me anyway. CMB says market expects 0.25. Yeah, everyone expects that. Doesn't mean to say it's what he says afterwards, though. It's all about everyone's focusing on the rates. It's what he says afterwards. It's what he says and how many more rate hikes there's going to be. If he says, I finished rate hiking, then fine. 0.25 will be a celebration. If he says there's 20 more 0.25s every month for the next million years, then not great. All right? Okay. There we go. I'm really happy with that. I'm really happy now with my Roth. Look at that. I'm up 1.35. I like it. Just down 11% now. Was 24. What else can we do? J&J. Let's have a look at J&J right now. The overall portfolio is doing better. Starting to pick up a bit. Now people are going to buy it again. Oh dear, oh dear. Right, S&P, we took some profits. Virgin Galactic. Virgin Orbit. Down just 11%. This is my Roth position. Let me change that now to my brokerage position. Yeah, I'm actually up on that one. I bought it at 160. So there you go. I'm up on it on the brokerage position. Rivian. Tesla. It's now selling off. We want to buy Tesla if we can today. Lucid. Going back down again. Apple. Amazon. McDonald's. Coca-Cola. J&J. It's moving up. As low as 162. 160. Yeah, it's gone up nearly $1. 162.64. Yeah, it's heading towards $1 up this morning. Very nice rebound. On my main brokerage there. Oh, look at that. Did you buy J&J this morning? Told everybody. One of the best things you can buy right now because of the court case. It will get through it. Down 2.6 on my Roth and down 2.9 on my brokerage account. We're keeping our powder dry for this afternoon. Nothing's gone cheap enough. Walmart, Tesco, Next Era Energy. This is another good one. Pays a very nice dividend, 2.27 plus. It's a growth stock as well, 89%, and it might bounce off this position here, 71, 70. It's bounced off here before. Next Era Energy. This is another position. Bear hunting season is still open. Bounce back. Next Era. I want to wait, but this is very inviting. This is very inviting. 73, 95, 74. Peloton up 11%. There you go. Next Era. There was the pamphlet. Look at that. I was just about to buy it as well. Just about to buy it. I had my finger on the button to buy Next Era Energy. Which shows there's momentum. It shows there's a bounce off that point. Down 6.35. What did it go down this morning? 74.51. 74. All right. I'm going to look at half my position on Next Era Energy. If we can get that down to 74, if we can see this down at 74.50 again, something like that, I'm going to have a little buy there, but I might set a limit order. a limit order. We can always cancel it later. 74.45. Okay. 74.45. Let's see if we can get it down there. 74. That's a decent discount then. Let's have a little look. Shares. Two. I want to double my position. 11. I want to buy 11. It did it again. 74.45. There we go. Let's try. 74.45. Let's see if it trims down there again. $74.45 is my order placed. I want to get more next era energy. This is all I'm going to spend. I'm not going to do anything else. $74.45 is what I want to pay. That's $5 a share, averaged that down. It's quite a lot. $74.45. That's where I've set it. Still leaving me plenty of money. Still leaving me $1,200. One more cent. And we got it. Very nice. I think it's going to bounce off that. Right, I'm happy with that. It's a very, very good dividend. It's 2.27. It's very nice. And I think we've reached the bottom of next era energy. So I've doubled my position. Solar is the future. I'm down just 3% now. I've still got $1,200 to spend. There you go. I think that's the way to go. Let's see. Oh, it's going down even further. I'm not going to buy any more unless it goes to like just $50 or something like that. But anyway, let's look at our portfolio and see how we've managed now. So we're coming up, looking nice, getting ready for Jerome Powell. Let's bring everybody up to date. We've got 44 watching, 31 likes. If we get 40 likes on the video, we're 40% the way to giving a cash prize away. If we get 100 likes, it's going to be a massive day this afternoon on Jerome Powell's on the FOMC report. We bought Virgin Orbit this morning. We were 24% down on our Roth IRA. We're now down just, I think it's like 12%. We halved our position, improved our position. Very good. I like it. It's showing resilience at this point. Down 11% now, so that's much, much better. Okay, let's put a minute on the clock, and let's do it. Let's get 40 likes, and we get 100 likes. We give a cash prize away. You ready? Okay, 1 minute on the clock. Here we go. Smash the like button. Let's do it. Here we go. Let's share on the screen how many we got. 43 watching. There we go on YouTube. See it there, look, 43, 34. Let's get 40 likes in 1 minute. And when we get to 100, which we will today, I'm sure, with Jerome Powell, we'll give away a cash prize on the show. It'll be very exciting, right? Live on the show. What is the FOMC? It's Fed Jerome Powell presenting their rate hikes today. Their rate decision on on the markets today. See if the interest rates are going to go up. And if it's 0.25, it's okay. Not amazing. Still going up, of course. But 34 likes, 10 seconds to go. Smash the like button. Come on, guys. We need 40 likes on the show. 34. It didn't move. What's going on? Everybody falling asleep? Right. I'm gonna punish everybody now. You fell asleep, so now we're gonna get a commercial break. I gave her the chance. And here we go. We're going to run a quick commercial break right now. Bring everybody up to date. We just bought Next Era Energy. Still going down. But I like the company. Whoa, falling off a cliff now. Bloody hell. That's all right. We'll nibble away again if we have to. Okay. Let's bring everybody up to date quickly with a quick commercial break. See you back in 10 seconds from now. If you are a YouTube sponsor, you can sponsor one of these spaces. And $99 a month, we now reach 500,000 across all our platforms. We are growing very, very quickly. For $99, you can be in that space just there. Okay, let's have a look. Did your music channel hit the target hours? Crag, we are at 3,914, but it won't refresh until tomorrow. It's a day afterwards. So I think we're going to be there. I was showing it on the screen earlier. So I will update you tomorrow. Probably the best thing to do. Next Era Energy is falling off a cliff right now. 74.27. It's catching a falling knife at the moment. Let's read some of these comments. Yay, got my first dollar in my Roth IRA. I know the Roth is for retirement, right? Flood of edits. Yes, you put $100 in, right? And you got $1 for free. Yeah. Did they get brilliant, isn't it? Absolutely brilliant. I love it. I think the Roth IRA from Robinhood is fantastic. Yes. If you hold that, tax-free savings, absolutely right. Next Era Energy is still going down just to see your plays. We bought Virgin Orbit this morning, and we also bought Next Era Energy. Maybe this is the account I subbed to you. Yes, it is. You've got your badge there, George. It will go to 69, says Turkey. 69. Well, smash the like. Thank you, Jar Life. I got in touch with Moose. His dad has not been well and has asked that we pray for him and his family. That's why Moose hasn't been in the show. Absolutely. Moozanella, folks, is one of our original members, and he was here at the beginning as a gold member. He's been a gold member since day one. The biggest financial supporter of our channel. And offers a huge amount of knowledge and expertise as well. He's a professional trader. He has clients, and yet he still watches me, which is amazing, right? Even the professionals watch my show. Anyway, he's a wonderful person, and you remember he lost his best friend, and we did a memorial on our show for him, and he has asked for some thoughts and prayers. So absolutely, all of you think of Moose's dad. It's his dad, right? Yeah, absolutely right. Sending love to Moose's dad. It's our biggest supporter of our channel and as one of our families. So please do share some thoughts for him. Check the GAS price, and then you will see where the energy companies will go. Mr. Clockwork. Okay, thanks. Was making sure I got the right Roth. There's the Roth IRA, and then there's traditional Roth. I prefer the Roth IRA. You need to do your own research on tax, though. I can't give any sort of tax advice, but anyway. If you are intending on leaving it, then the Roth IRA is the way to go. Thank you for all your comments, guys, to Moose. Next Era Energy, still down. Let's have a look at it now. It's at the bottom of its trough right now. So it's hitting these points here. This is where you want to buy it. I'm already in. Still going down. If it breaks this point, we set new lows. So we don't want to see that. We want it to bounce off this. Yes, the whole market is going down today because of Jerome Powell this afternoon. That's why we bought Virgin Orbit. I don't think that will be affected by what Jerome Powell has to say. I bought it here. It bounced up. Sorry, that's VU. I bought it here. It bounced up. Virgin Orbit. It was the right thing to do. I don't think it's going to go any lower. I was down 24%. I'm now down 10. So I've, done a really, I think, a good thing there. I'm happy. I sold some VU last night. I trimmed off the top. Right thing to do. Look, we knew that was going to happen. I also trimmed Amazon. What about Virgin Galactic? Virgin Galactic, there's no news yet. So we're just holding our position. I'll buy it more if it goes to $3. Not a penny more. $3.90. It's in that $3 range. And also, next to Era Energy, we use our profits to buy that as well. We've got $1,200 left. Okay. So, quick cup of coffee. Okay, let me make a video. Let me open up the broadcast lounge. We've got 499 members to our server. One more and we are at 500. I'm going to give everyone the chance now to be our 500th member. Here is Discord. Here is the link to Discord. I'm going to give a couple of minutes. If you don't do it, I'm going to make a video on it. All right, there we go. There's Discord. And we need one more person, and then we are a public server, and we get searched on Google. We supposedly will grow a lot quicker. Okay, so let me make a quick video on my thoughts for Jerome Powell right now. So let's bring everyone up to date. Let's click that there. 1 hour 32. One hour 32. FOMC. FOMC. Okay. I'm about to do a special video here. Upcoming. Okay. All right. Let's do it right now. We want breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. How are we preparing for Fed Jerome Powell, the FOMC report? This is going to be a very interesting video. I hope you'll join us. So first of all, let's have a quick look. This is where we'll be live this afternoon for Fed Jerome Powell FOMC report. We are predicting a 0.25. However, that doesn't mean to say the markets will rally and go up. We're going to discuss it now very quickly in a very short video and show you exactly what we've done to prepare for it. And so far, it's gone exactly as planned. So before I give you my magic sauce and tell you what's going to happen to the markets, click subscribe and ring the bell. Have you done that? Because you want to be notified when we go live this afternoon. And have you smashed the like button as well? You done all that stuff? Leave a comment below the video. Let me know your predictions. All right. And this is going to be exciting. So look at my portfolio down today. We knew it would go down. We prepared for it. What did we do? Well, let's have a quick look. Let's go into some detail. What we did, first of all, I sold some VU. Not all of it. I sold some VU. I took some off the top. Let me scroll down and share with you. This is my actual position, my actual money. Here's my VU, and as you can see, it dropped. I sold just 4 shares of VU last night. I'm already up, I'm making money, but I trimmed off the top. It was 50% of my portfolio. So in a bear market rally, you want stability, you want dividends, you want security, you want peace of mind and calmness. Also, what I did was I've made some money on Amazon, and I sold Amazon as well. I sold 5 shares of Amazon. That money then went into my main brokerage account, and that took me up to a couple of grand. So where has the $800 gone this morning? As you can see, 1,200 left. Where's the money gone? Well, if I come back to this screen, you will see exactly what I did with my money. First of all, I decided to go to Virgin Orbit, which I've been to the space station in the UK. I don't think this is going to go down much more than 150, for even at 160. And this is my Roth IRA position. I had some money in there this morning I brought in, and I was down 24%, and I bought it. I'm now down 10.7, so I've massively improved my position. I don't see this stock being affected by whatever Jerome Powell says. It's already been sold down to, I think, its lowest price. I don't think it's going to go much lower. It might go 1 or 2%. That doesn't matter. I was down 24%. So I used some of my money to buy that. What else did I do? Well, I also bought another stock this morning, which I also feel is a good investment, and that is Next Era Energy. Next Era Energy, I was down, I think, 6.5%. I doubled my position, which took me down to about 3%. Since I've done it, it's gone down a bit more. Now, some people are predicting 69. I don't know about that. I haven't got a crystal ball. I can't tell you what price it's going down to, but the company is doing well. I like this company. It did get beaten up on its earnings. It did beat the earnings, which was dramatically lowered because of macro conditions, but it beat it. However, the forward projection for inflation and costs have affected the stock price, so it's gone down. But it pays a good dividend. The dividend alone is worth the investment. It's a dividend of 2.27. So there you go. That's what I have done. It's gone down. It's gone down a little bit more. I might even add a bit more now, down another percent. I think I'm going to wait now to Jerome Powell. So there we go. There's my positions this morning. What do you think? Are you prepared for Jerome Powell? Now, if you want to join us live on the show, if you click up here, that will take you to the actual event, which is this event here on this screen. This is Fed Jerome Powell today. Now, when we did this before, we had a huge audience of 6,000, about 3 or 4 meetings ago. The last couple weren't quite as busy, but 3 or 4 ago, we had about 6,000. It's a very, very big part of our show, and we look forward to it. So are you prepared? Have you trimmed? Are you prepared for a drop? Now, remember, there are a few scenarios that we could get. Everyone's going, well, if it's 0.25, the market's going to rally. Let's discuss the options. Number one, if it's 0.5, the markets are going to sell off between 5 and 10%. Pretty much guarantee that. Okay, nothing's guaranteed, but that's how we feel very strongly. If it's 0.5, we're going to go down because we've already priced in a 0.25, so there'll be a mass selling. Plus, it means we're not getting on top of inflation. It means the Fed are being even more hawkish, and they're going to continue the 0.5%. We don't think so. 90% of the markets believe 0.25. So if it's a 0.5, we're going down 5-10%. So we're prepared for that. We've taken some profits off the table. We've still got $1,200 here. We've also bought Next Era Energy, which has gone down today. We bought VU. We've halved our loss there. So that was good. However, if it's a 0.75, then the market's going to go down 20%, right? It's going to be all hell breaks loose. No one predicts that. If it's 0.25, which is as we expected, we've already priced that in. So there's not necessarily going to be a rally. There could still be a sell-off. Why? Because we've already built it in. The markets now know that's where we are. The markets rely on forecast they can predict. They want to just know where they're going. They know they want to be certain. They love they love stability and certainty. So now we have a 0.25 that the markets will feel confident. Doesn't necessarily mean they'll bounce all the way up and take off, which could happen. But what most likely will happen, there'll be some trimming off. Even if we have a bit of a rally, there'll be some trimming off. People will take profits and then buy it back again, and that's when the real rally will continue. That's 0.25. If we get zero, right, we get zero. In other words, the Fed have pivoted. They've not reduced rates, but they haven't increased any more. They're holding where we are, because that's what it means if we don't have another rate hike. It just goes to zero, so there's no more rate hikes. Then the market will rally 10 to 20%. That'll be great. The chances of that is extremely unlikely. However, what we do know is Fed Jerome Powell has said he is going to keep the pressure on. He could always undo it if he goes too far. I don't think anyone thinks he's gone too far. There's a little bit of a chance he may have gone too far. So the zero is a chance, but very unlikely. More than likely, 0.25. So to confirm, if we get a 0.25, we might get a bit of a rally, and then it will sell off because profits will be taken. It may even go down. But remember, there's one final scenario. The important point, more than the rate hikes themselves, it's what he says in the press conference at the end when he takes questions. That's when we see the real volatility. If he says it's 0.25, but I'm going to go another 6 months, another year of rate hikes, 0.25, 0.25, 0.25 every month, then we're still going to go up, a lot higher, and that is the bigger problem. So it's not the 0.25 that's the problem. It's how many times he continues to raise the rates. So that's what we're looking at today. So we've taken our positions. We've done the right thing. As you can see, my portfolio is looking pretty healthy. It's coming back up now. We trimmed off VU. That was the right thing to do. How do you do? We trimmed off on Amazon. That was the right thing to do. How do you do? And Virgin Orbit, we bought the dip this morning and it's risen. So far, it's been the right thing to do. It hasn't popped up. We don't expect it to pop up. There's no good news. I've just lowered my average. And finally, my other point was Next Era Energy. And okay, this is where I bought it. It's not gone up or down any further. So looks pretty safe to me. I've lowered my average from what was 6% down to 3.86. There you go. So what do you think? Are you prepared for Jerome Powell? If you are and you want to join us, you can join us live on the show. If you click up here, that will take you to the live event. So click up here, take you to the live event. This is what you're going to see, and it's going to be an explosive afternoon. One way or another, a lot is going to happen. So there you go. Until next time. Until this afternoon, take care of yourselves and each other. All right. Okay. There's my Fed Jerome Powell. Now, where is the thumbnail? Where is the thumbnail? Let me put that into the screen. If I can't get the thumbnail, I'll do it this way. Why is a thumbnail? Normally it shows a thumbnail there. Let me load that again. See if I can get the what are your major swings in your portfolio? Hang on a minute. I'm just trying to get this thumbnail. I don't know why it's not showing. Normally it shows just there. All right. Okay, do it this way then. In fact, I can overprint it. Just thought of that, actually. Let's do this. Let's do this. Let's do this. Take off the ticker. Let's do that. I'll put it in there. Okay, we'll put it in there. There we go. I'll put that in there. Okay, we're going to end the show in a minute and get these videos out, because it's only 3 hours away. $142 through the show. Very quiet day today. Very quiet day today, considering where we are time-wise. Ah, 0.7, risking 0.1. Just reading Ed Nevis's comments there. Next Era Energy is coming up. Coming up now. A lot of scalp trading going on there. Motorsport. The S&P still selling off. Virgin Galactic's coming up. Virgin Orbit. Yes, 10.7 now from 24% down. Awesome. Great. Let's do Tesla's trying to go down. That's good. We want to buy some of there. I got $1,200 left. I'd sell now. It's going to drop back down. Flutter Edit says. Which stock are you talking about, Flutter? Amazon? McDonald's? Coca-Cola? Oh, Coca-Cola's getting near my buy. J&J's picking up as well. Better. Google, 13%. We got Meta today as well. Oh, I forgot about that. I got to do a quick video on Meta. Blimey, I forgot. In fact, what I'm going to... Yeah, I think what I'm going to do is we're going to end the show. I've run out of time. I've got to get this. Sorry, TO Roll. I'll check that later on for you. I've run out of time. I've got to get these videos out for this afternoon. In fact, we've still got we've still got a really big crowd at the moment. We've got 40 watching. Okay, if we can get to 40 likes, I'll do an extended show. All right, so here we go. If we can get to 40 likes, I'll do an extended show for another half an hour. Okay. Watching these stocks. So here we go. If you've just tuned in, subscribe and ring the bell. Smash the like button. We've got 33 likes. We've got 39 watching. See if we can get to 40 likes and I'll do an extended show. You ready? Okay, put a 1 minute on the clock. And let's zoom in. Let's see how many we got watching right now. There we go, 40. If we can get 40 watching, if we can get 40 likes on the show, I will carry on and do an extended show. Smash the like button. If we get to 100 likes, no, you can't like again. If you get 100 likes, I'll give a cash prize away during the show. Thank you ever so much, everybody on TikTok. How are you all doing? Amazon update, please. Come and join us on YouTube and I'll share the chart with you. 33 likes, 35, 34, 35, just 5 to go and we'll do an extended show. All right. 36, 4 more to go. If we get to 40 likes, we'll do an extended show. 36, 37, 37, will we do it? 37, 3 more likes. 36. Someone's just checking they've liked it. 36. We were at 37. I was going to do an extended show, but unfortunately, there's 37. Just 3 more likes and we'll do an extended show. We'll do a half an hour more. But otherwise, I've got to get off and prepare for Jerome Powell, do some research and put some videos out. 37. It looks like we've topped out at 38, 39. Oh my gosh. Looks like 39. 1 more. One more like and we'd be at 40 likes. And we will do an extended show for half an hour. There's 39. Going once. Going twice. We've done it. 40, 41. I can't believe it. We have done it. 41 watching and 41 likes. That is 100% engagement rate. Look at that. You cannot get better than that. Brilliant. Fantastic. All right then. Okay, we've got another half an hour to go then. So we'll do that. So awesome stuff. I need to then do this video for whatchamacallit. Day trade. We've got day trader of the day, and we've also got to do. I can now review the stocks I didn't get a chance to do. Trashbo 3 player. Thank you ever so much indeed. If you're not, oh by the way, we are now at 499 Discord members. So here we go. If you want to become the 500th member, here is Discord. It's free. Remember to be a member of Discord. There it is. You'll become the 500th person and will become a public channel live on the show. There it is. I've given you the link there. Right. Okay. Meta then. Meta. Let's have a look at this one for a minute. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. Meta Platforms, formerly known as Facebook. I always think we're talking about Prince there for some reason. Anyway, it reports tonight in the after hours. We'll be there for the after hours earnings. If it's your very first time here, smash the like button. And don't forget, as always, to subscribe to the channel. Now, here it is. Here's the information that you need. Click above my head will take you to the earnings report for Meta, Facebook. We'll be there live tonight. I've always said it's one of the best value stocks on the stock market. I will say that until it reaches $200. We had a massive sell-off, and I bought it round about the $100. It's kept going up and up. Tonight we have got the earnings. Let me have a little look at where we think it's going to go. Scroll down here, and we can have a little look. This is my position. We are expecting to increase on last quarter's earnings, which is always risky in this time. Last quarter, Q3, it missed, hence why everything sold off. And we've increased the earnings. So tonight, Facebook, Meta will absolutely go up to 150, 160, 170. It will pump up if we beat on earnings because they've raised the expectations. And when you raise the expectations and you beat it, then very, very good news. Very good indeed for the stock. So, Meta earnings tonight, Facebook. Hopefully you can come and join us. This is my position on Meta. I'm out of Meta right now. I took my profits a while ago. I will get back in if it misses on earnings, but I think that time has come and gone. What we're waiting for is more news on the metaverse. If Mark Zuckerberg is cutting back on spend, up she goes. More layoffs at the factory and at Facebook, up she goes. If, however, he continues to spend money and increase, then going down. This is a classic example of buy the rumors, sell the news. Everyone can see that that it was oversold. Most people agree with that. We can see that the estimate has gone up, so analysts think it's going to go up. So everyone's buying it now. This could drop on the news. So buy the rumor, sell the news, a classic example. I think right now Meta is primed to be sold off. So I'm not buying it now. I would buy it when it sells off because we're setting up for a fall here. It's great. It's going to be great again in a 1 or 2 years time, but not now. I think everyone's buying it. It's getting a bit excited. And I think that this could only go one way, down, unless we get a surprise and it beats earnings big time. Then maybe it'll justify the price. But right now, I think what's likely to happen, and you'll see it live on the show, click up here to the earnings. I reckon as the figures come out just at the closing bell, it'll drop, and then we'll have some real drama and excitement throughout the earnings. Join us for the live earnings of Meta, formerly known as Facebook, otherwise known as Prince. Don't know why I threw that in there. Take care of yourselves and each other. All right. Okay. There's my thumbnail. That's what I think. Let's have a quick look here. Risk now trading. Lucid. Let's go back to Lucid. Lucid. Still going down. Yep. No surprise there. Did I just record Facebook? Meta earnings. I didn't put the time. How did I not put the time? What am I doing? I'm missing out things here. What's going on? So that was what? 150. 1 hour 50. Lucid. Okay. Let's go back to Lucid. Lucid. We said about Lucid this was going to go down. Okay. Let me cover Lucid. 155. Lucid 1 hour 55. Okay. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor, Lucid. Well, we told you a few days ago, there's been several videos about this one now, and this is all no surprise. Lucid, I made a profit of 140%. I didn't quite catch the top. It went up 150%. And a lot of people who are fans of Lucid, why anyone's a fan of a stock, I've never understood that. You should always be a fan of your money. Investing is about making money, not joining a fan club. However, I took a lot of flack for taking 140%, and my argument was it's going to go back down because the rumor is unjustified. Well, surprise, surprise, that's exactly what happened. It went up, ridiculous, on a rumor of a United Arab Emirates company taking over the company, which, remember, in itself doesn't guarantee anything. Doesn't mean they're going to sell more cars, does it? Just because someone's taken it over. But people love good news like that of a takeover. They think more money is coming in. So up went the stock, and I sold it. That's the only reason why I invest, right? I'm waiting to buy it back around about $9, which I think it will do. It may even go to $6 because the news has not yet been verified and substantiated. So that's my play on it. Now, I put it to you like this. No matter how good you think a stock is, no matter how wonderful you think a company is, or it's the best car in the world or whatever, the reality is you are here to make money, right? And I put it to you this. If a can of Coke is worth $1, you can buy it anywhere for $1. You know the value it brings to you. You know how it serves you. You know how it makes you feel. It's worth $1, right? And every supermarket in the land sells it for $1. But today, it's gone up 140%. Today, it's gone up 140%. Would you pay 140% for it? Of course you wouldn't. It's absolutely ridiculous. Why on earth would you pay 140% for it? Of course you wouldn't. You would wait for it to come back down again, right? Well, it's the same thing as Lucid. Lucid went up 150%. I took my profits. That's like the amount of money that you could get in 10 years on the S&P 500. And remember what Warren Buffett said. If you bought the S&P 500 back in the 30s, 40s, I think it is, and for $10,000, you'd have $51 million now. So why on earth would you not sell something that's up 150%, no matter how good you think it is? Because at the end of the day, if Lucid goes to $200 a share, and then it goes up to 400, you've made 100%. It's not about the value of the stock, it's about the percentage. So if you can go from $5, which is where I was at the time, sort of $5-6, to something like $17, then if you don't sell that, that's the same as going from 100 to 250 or 200 to 400. It's the same thing. Just take your profit. Remember, the stock doesn't care that you own it. It won't come to your funeral. It won't send you a Christmas greetings card. If you make the money, sell it. Simple as that. Move on. Find another opportunity. End of the day, why are you investing? You're investing to make money. That's all you're doing. You're not here to join a fan club. Some people are. Some people won't sell Bitcoin for love or money. They think it loves it. They think the crypto loves them. Tesla, exactly the same. A lot of these things that are very rock and roll and futuristic, and I love future stocks and like EVs and space and all these things. But at the end of the day, I respect my money more, and I'm here to make money, not to join a fan club. So Lucid has gone back down. Should we have a quick pan out over the week of what we're looking about? Look, there you go. There it went up. That was the news. Straight back down again. We had a little flutter. It tried to pick up again, but overall, it's gone back down. And if we pan out over the month, you can see what this really means. I still believe we are trending down. I still believe we're going to go down to sort of $9, and I'll buy it again because it does make a good car. It is great, but remember, making a great car isn't about selling a great car. That's two very different things. So what do you think? Is Lucid a good buy for you? Did you take profits? Are you married to the stock, or are you here to make money and you have no fear or no emotion connected to your stock? Let me know in your comments below, and I'd love to, and I will reply to everyone's comments. Smash the like, and I'll see you back later for Fed Jerome Powell's meeting. Click up here, take you to that. It's going to be a big day. Till next time, take care of yourselves and each other. Ticker. All right. Ticker. Lucid. Right. We are running out of time. Can't be here much longer. What time is the Grim Reaper speaking? I'm going live at 3 hours from now. Oh, hello. I've got videos to do, edits to do. Going sideways. Let's get this off the screen. I'm done with this motorsport nonsense. The S&P. Let's have a look. Trying to go back up again. Virgin Galactic. Good. Virgin Orbit. Brilliant. Down to 10% now. 24% down to 10. Very, very good. Very, very happy with that. As a good play, I think everyone would agree. That was a good move. Rivian. Tesla. Still can go a lot lower. Lucid. Down she goes. Apple. Amazon. Sold that. That was good. Coca-Cola. It's not cheap enough yet. It's getting there. McDonald's. Still too expensive for me. Coca-Cola. J&J. I have things to do, places to go, things to see. J&J looking good. My Roth IRA will be liking that. Yeah. 40,800. Google. Microsoft still going down. Not cheap enough yet. Walmart. Tesco. Next Era Energy. Still hasn't really broken out yet. Enphase. Bitcoin. Tilray. Hood. SoFi. IonQ. Canoe. Ford. Ford's doing well today. Rio Tinto. Well, there we go. Now it's getting interesting. Rio Tinto. Starting to go down. We want to buy it here. This is where we want to buy it. We don't want to buy it up there. We want to buy it for about $65. $60. Somewhere in that region. That's where we want it. For our dividends. Okay, we're going to wrap up the show and give some lucky person on TikTok a gift. Let's put TikTok on the screen. Are you ready? Okay, so TikTok, you are now on the screen on multiple platforms around the world. It's your opportunity. I've got 31,000 followers, nearly 32,000 followers. So I'm going to do something for all of you that followed me this morning. Okay, there are two things. First of all, see the little star at the top? See the star just there? If you click the star, I've got 7 subscribers. If you become my 8th subscriber today, at the end of the show, which will be in about, excuse me, which will be in about 5 minutes, I will make a commercial for you. I will make a commercial, all right? I will put your channel, your profile on the screen behind me, and I will record a video. And I will do that for you, and I'll show you one I did yesterday for someone in a moment. And I will put you on the screen, and I'll make a commercial for you, inviting all my 31,000 followers, nearly 32,000, to follow you. All right? And it works. It's the reason why I've got 7 subscribers. They love that feature. It promotes their channel. Also, if you become my top gifter, and Bill is now number 1, I will follow you back. I've already followed Bill back, so I can't follow him again, but I will tag him in some more viral posts. So if you do some flowers, some roses, and you become my top gifter, you can do it for a few cents. It might only be one cent. You can be my top gifter today. I'm going to end the show in 5 minutes. So if you're number 1 when I end the show, I will follow you back and tag you in my viral posts. Okie dokie. That's how that works. Now then, I will share with you what I did here for our other person that we made a video for. I will share with you. This is what I did. If you look here, look on the page right now. If we go to this video, I did this for a viewer yesterday. I made him a commercial. So this could be you if you subscribe to me. This is what you get. You ready? Here we go.
Investor. One thing I love doing more than anything else is helping other YouTubers and TikTokers to grow their platforms. I've got 31,500 followers. So if you subscribe to me during one of my live shows, I will do this for you. Crow Finance subscribed to me. He clicked the star, and there is his channel on the screen behind me. So I'm going to record this, put this on my channel, and invite all of you to go and check out Crow Finance. Of course, it's got a lot to do with crypto and finance, of course, which is right up my street. Go and check him out. And if you subscribe to me, I'll do the same for you. And I'm going to tag you in my post, Crow Finance, and I wish you all the best. I hope my 31,500 followers will follow you back. Take care.
So there you go. That's what I did, and that's what I'll do for you right at the end of the show if you become a subscriber. Hit the little star button just there. Bill is still number 1. No one's taken a free follow. I only ever follow my subscribers and my members and my gifters. That's it. I don't do follow for follow. I never message you. I never sell you anything. And every Friday we do cash prize giveaways. And we do cash prize giveaways in every single show on YouTube, every single Friday, without you paying or doing or anything. I just do it to help people. All right? Okay, let's go back to YouTube right now and wrap up our show, because we've got to get ready for Fed Jerome Powell. Do you think Panasonic is worth an investment in? I've got no Ricky Goss just came into the show. Ricky, start by saying hello. We are real people. We're a family. We're here to help people. Start by saying hello. How are you? Lovely to have you here. I honestly, Ricky, I've got no knowledge of that stock at all. It's not something I'm interested in. If I'm honest, it's not a company I can comment on. How are you? I'm all right, mate. How are you? There we go. I'm Martyn Lucas, voted by Elton John as the world piano man. This is my TV studio behind me. And if you become a member of our channel or access Discord, you can talk to all our investors and traders and get to know everybody. And we're here to help and support everyone. Maybe somebody else on Discord might share their views on Panasonic. For me, it's not one I would invest in. It's not something I have any knowledge or any interest in at all. And if I don't have interest in the stock, I don't invest in it. Here is the invitation to join if you want to become a member. You get 20 times back what you put in. And you might want to be our 500th Discord member. There we go. There's Discord. And in fact, talking of that, I need to wrap up the show with my Discord channel right now, actually. Discord. I need to do that now because we've got our $1,000 to $10,000 challenge. Let's bring this up right now. There we go. Okay. This is important. Okay. This will be my last video. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I've got so much to do in so little time. The time now is 2 hours and 2 hours 10. 2 hour 10 Discord. Powell for president, says Mr. Clockwork. Bye, Ed. Take care, everyone. Is Ed off? I just invested in CATL stock. Congratulations, Ricky Goss. I wish you the very best. If you are a member, I can review the stock, even promote it, make a video on it, and even buy the stock live on the show if you are a YouTube member. If you notice, everyone is a member. 95% of our live viewers are members, with the highest engagement rate of any channel on YouTube. In the reference of live viewers who are members, 95% of our live viewers are members. It's the highest on YouTube. Right, more than Mr. Beast. He's about 9%. So here we go. Let's put this out. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. We got a really great crypto challenge coming up. 1,000 to 10,000 and 7,000 to 100,000 live on our show. We are doing a crypto challenge with our own money live on the show. But look, all that information is available through our Discord. We are now at 499 members. When we hit 500, we become a public server and then we really take off. So who's going to become our 500th member? I would love to see who that's going to be, and we are doing a special challenge, a crypto challenge from 1,000 to 10,000 and 7,000 to 100,000 live on our show, and all that information is in our Discord server. I'm doing it with my own real money. So who is it going to be? If you want to join our server, please like this video, click subscribe and ring the bell, and below the video will be the link for our Discord. And we are back very, very soon this afternoon with Jerome Powell live. If you click up just above my head, which is about there, just about there, you can be in the in Jerome Powell's live video this afternoon. We're going to be there watching the markets explode one way or another. Go below, join our Discord channel, and be involved in our Discord challenge. 1,000 to 10,000. $7,000 to $100,000 crypto challenge with my own money live on the show in front of you all. Who's going to be our 500th member? Look below in the description of this video and you'll find the link. Until next time, take care of yourselves and each other. All right, let's clear the ticker and go for a video. I need to do this. It's bloody hard. It's bloody hard to get it all in. There you go. That. Yay! Right. That's supposed to be my ticker. It might not be very good. I might have to jiggle around with that. But anyway, let's see what happened. Can you send the link of Fed program that you're going to do today? Jose, yes. Jose, it's already there for you. On the homepage of our YouTube channel where you are, look, this is the channel, right? Look, upcoming live streams. They're all in order. It's the next show, all right? But I'll give you the link as well if you want to go there directly and leave a comment now if you want to. But if you've made sure you've rung the bell and notified, you'll get all our live events and turn notifications on. You will get it. But there's the link in the chat. I'll give it you twice. Right, I've got to get out of here. My gosh, so much to do in so little time. We're still at 499. Right. Markets are still dropping as expected. There it is. We took some money off the top of VU. Right thing to do. How do you do? We took some money off Amazon. That was the right thing to do. How do you do? And Vorb. Yep, we bought Vorb. The right thing to do. How do you do? From 24% down to 12 to 10. Even better, even better. We also bought Next Era Energy here. It's gone down a bit more, but nevertheless, I'm not going to buy any more until after Jerome Powell speaks. It would be silly to have no money to react to all of that. All right, that's it. Did we get any subscribers on TikTok? No one's going to get the commercial break. Let me check. It was on 7. No, it's still 7. Who's my top gifter? It looks like it's Bill. So I'll follow Bill back. I already do. So I can't follow him again, but I will tag him in some more viral posts. That's it. Day trader of the day. Day trader of the day. Everyone skip the ad. Let's bring everybody up to date and do a quick commercial break and day trader of the day. Roll the credits. Got so much to do now. Down 0.73%. Let's see everybody's scores. Down and skip the ad. I'll be right back in 10 seconds right behind this ad break here. There you go. If you are a YouTube sponsor and you are a member level, you can be in this. We reach over 500,000 now across all my platforms. You can be in that space there. We're growing faster and faster every day. All right, here we go. Down 0.73. Put a quick timer on the screen. Up 2.39. Up 0.61, says German Gaming. Very nice indeed. More scores coming in now. Down 0.94. Down 20 cents. Love it. Nothing wrong with that, mate. Nothing wrong with that. Market selling off. Down 0.8. Crag is the winner so far, up 2.39. The overall portfolio is at 40,800. I was at 41, so it's only down a couple $100. It's nothing massive. Nothing massive, really. Ruben Lozano has gone straight into the lead. Ruben Lozano, you're up 3.2. German Gaming up $9. Nothing wrong with that. Ruben Lozano, thank you for your honest trades. Give him a thumbs up. Absolutely awesome stuff. Give him the sound effects. There he gets it. All right, it's time to roll the credits. I'm out of here. See you all back for the closing bell. How many people did we get through the stream? We've got 31 watching, 43 likes. We can't give away a cash prize. We didn't get to 100 likes. 6,187 subscribers. We lost one during the show. How about that? There we go. What's being searched? 172 through the show. A little bit quiet this afternoon, but not to worry. Let's get out of here. See you back in a bit. It'll all kick off this afternoon. See you all next time. Roll the credits. Let's get out of here. And let's see the stars of our show. Nobody today. Nothing happened. So I haven't got to go all the way through this. We didn't get any super chats. We didn't get any members. It was a very quiet day. I will see you all back in a couple of hours from now with Jerome Powell's event. If you've not got the link, it's on the upcoming live streams. It's the next video scheduled. I will be live there very soon. In 10, 11, 2.5 hours from now. There you go. I might even go a bit early just to surprise you. So there you go. There's the link. I'll see you all back in a bit. Okay, see you later. We'll see you in the after hours Flutter edits. Okay, see you all then, mate. In the meantime, get ready. It's going to be a great afternoon. Get the beer ready. Get the coffee ready. We're gonna dig down deep. Take care of yourselves and each other.